What's going on, guys? It's Jimmy here, and welcome to our daily show where we discuss everything you need to know and what's going on here in our country on a daily basis. In this video, I want to go over 6 Social Security changes that take effect today. And yeah, this is very, very important stuff that I want to go over here for you guys in this video. Also, there'll be some important stuff in here for people on SSI, SSDI, VA, and RRB and survivors in this video as well. So make sure to watch this video all the way through. So I will be showing you guys that here for you guys in this video. If you're new to our channel or you haven't yet, make sure to click the subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on new videos. It's completely free to do so. And click the bell icon after you subscribe. And remember here, the new videos come out here on our YouTube channel every day at 10 a.m., 3 p.m., and 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And also, thanks so much for liking and sharing these videos. So, all right, let's jump right in. And also, Happy New Year's. Hopefully, 2023 is better than 2022. Sky high inflation. The government's saying it's coming down a little bit. We have seen gas prices come down a little bit. But I don't know. We'll see if that stays that way. They're already starting to creep back up a little bit. We'll see. Okay, so 6 Social Security changes that take effect today. Here we go. For more than 80 years, Social Security has held true to its name and provided some degree of financial security for our nation's retirees. According to the Center on Budget Policy and Priorities, the program pulled nearly 22.5 million people out of poverty in 2020, including 16.1 million adults aged 65 and older. But Social Security isn't static. Its many working parts are designed to change over time. As we welcome in the new year, here are 6 Social Security changes that take effect today. Number 1, Social Security checks are receiving a historic boost. The most anticipated change is the historically large cost of living adjustment, the Social Security increase for 2023, or the Social Security raise for 2023, being recognized in the January payouts sent to nearly 66 million beneficiaries. Social Security's COLA raise is the way for the program to account for inflation that its beneficiaries have contended with over the past year. Ideally, benefits should increase on par with the rate of inflation, so recipients who are mostly senior citizens don't lose purchasing power. In 2023, beneficiaries will see an 8.7% increase in their Social Security check. On a percentage basis, the 8.7% cost of living adjustment is the highest in 41 years, and it's the 4th highest largest in history. Yeah. In terms of year-over-year nominal dollar increase, it'll be the largest in the program's history ever. The average retired worker is expected to receive a $146 boost to their Social Security check this month, based on the average dollar amount that the average person is getting. Equally important for retired workers is 2023 marks only the 2nd time this century that Medicare Part B premiums, the portion that people pay for Medicare Part B, will decline from the previous year, which is actually kind of a double bonus, I guess. Since most Medicare enrollees have their Part B premiums automatically deducted from the Social Security check, it'll result in a real money boost to their pocketbooks. In other words, the 8.7% COLA for 2023 could actually outpace inflation rate and lead to a real money improvement for many retirees. Number 2, the maximum monthly payout at full retirement age is on the rise. If you're a lifetime high-earning retiree, the New Year's brings with it the opportunity to receive a much beefier monthly benefit check. Last year, the maximum monthly payout for a retired worker could receive at full retirement age, the age where eligible beneficiaries require for 100% of their payout. The maximum payout was $3,345 a month. But thanks to rapidly rising inflation, the maximum monthly benefit at full retirement age will jump by $282 a month to $3,627. By the way, let's see what that is for a year. 3,627 times 12. It's only 43,524. By the way, the average salary nowadays is well into the $50,000 range. So that's really not that great, just to kind of put that in comparison. That's the maximum amount for Social Security. Yeah, only approximately 2% of retired workers bring home this top tier benefit check each month. To reach this maximum monthly benefit, 3 criteria needs to be met. A retiree has to wait until their full retirement age, which is usually 66 to 67, to claim this benefit. They have to work at least 35 years. They'll need to reach the maximum taxable earnings in each of the 35 years for the Social Security, so they have to do that each 35 years. So yeah, that's how you reach maximum benefits, in case you were wondering. Number 3, high earning workers may face a larger tax bill. Yeah, it's not all peaches and cream if you do well in 2023. If you're a high earning worker, you might be on the hook for a bigger tax bill this year. Approximately 90% of the more than $1 trillion in revenue collected by Social Security every year comes from the 12.4% payroll tax on earned income. We're talking about wages and salary, not investment income. If you work for someone else or a company, you and your employer split this tax liability down the middle at 6.2% each. Meanwhile, if you're self-employed, you have to pay the full 12.4% yourself. In 2022, all wages and salary between 1 cent and 147,000 were subject to payroll tax. But now, thanks to inflation, that's now going to go up to $160,000 to $160,200 that will be taxed for Social Security payroll taxes. Yeah, so that means it's going up by $13,200 that will be taxed for Social Security taxes. This could mean paying an extra $1,636 in payroll taxes if you make up to $160,000. Number 4, qualifying for Social Security benefits just became a little tougher. Despite what you may have been told, Social Security isn't an entitlement you receive for just simply being a U.S. citizen. Rather, you have to earn your benefit by working. To qualify for a retirement benefit or disability and survivor benefit coverage, you need to amass 40 lifetime work credits. While this might sound like a daunting task, it's actually easier than you probably realize. Workers earn a maximum of 4 credits a year, which means they can hit the thresholds for qualifying for retirement benefits in as little as 10 years of working. I remember I started working at age 14. So, I mean, if you work at age 14 through 24, you can hit 10 years like that. More importantly, the earned income threshold to qualify for lifetime work credits is still pretty low. Last year, a work credit was received for $1,500 in earned income, which really isn't that much to earn. Therefore, $6,000 in earned income in 2022 would have netted a worker their full allotment for credits for the year. As of today, you'll have to work a bit harder to qualify for Social Security coverage. Instead of $1,500 in earned income, you'll need $1,640 in wages or salary to earn 1 lifetime work credit. Still not that much money to earn $1,600. I mean, you could earn that in like a couple weeks, really. Yeah. To receive the maximum of 4 work credits this year, you'll need to earn $6,500 for the full year. So still pretty easy, pretty easy. Number 5, disability income thresholds are on the move. Social Security's disability income thresholds represent another big change that officially takes hold today. When most people think about Social Security, they rightly think of more than 48 million retired workers and the 2.7 million spouses and children of these retirees who receive a monthly benefit. But Social Security also plays a key role in supporting the long-term disabled. As of November, 8.8 million disabled workers were receiving a monthly Social Security check that averaged $1,364. To continue receiving Social Security disability benefit each month, workers can only bring home so much in earned income. For non-blind disabled workers, benefits would be stopped in 2022 for earned income above $1,350 per month. For blind disabled workers, this monthly threshold was set at $2,260 last year. Having turned the page to 2023, non-blind disabled workers will be able to now earn $1,470 per month instead of $1,350 per month, so up $120 per month. Meanwhile, blind disabled workers will see a $200 per month increase in their earnings to $2,460. Number 6, the early filer withholding thresholds are increasing. The 6th and final Social Security change that takes effect today can impact retired workers who began receiving a Social Security check prior to reaching their full retirement age, which is a lot of people. Social Security encourages patience from eligible beneficiaries and has a tendency to punish early filers in a variety of ways. One of those ways is the retirement earnings test. The retirement earnings test allows the Social Security Administration to withhold some or nearly all filers' Social Security benefits if they generate too much earned income. There are two very different tiers to the retirement earnings test. The first category belongs to early claimants who won't reach full retirement age in 2023. Last year, Social Security could withhold $1 in benefits for every $2 in earned income above $19,560 or $1,630 a month. Beginning today, this income threshold increases to $21,240 or $1,770 per month. The second category is for early filers who will reach full retirement age at some point this year. In 2022, the SSA, Social Security Administration, would withhold $1 in benefits for every $3 in earned income above $51,960, which is $4,330 per month. In the months prior to reaching full retirement age, starting today, this income threshold rises to $56,520 or $4,710 per month. Something important to note here is that the retirement earnings test is no longer applicable once you hit your full retirement age, regardless of when you began taking your benefits. After age 66 to 67, depending on your full retirement age, Social Security Administration won't be able to withhold a penny of what you're due, regardless of how much you earn. So let me know your thoughts here on this, and I'll keep you up to date here on everything, including Social Security news and updates. I'll link you to a video I just did on the potential $2,400 per year raise to Social Security here next. Make sure you subscribe down below to our YouTube channel if you haven't yet, and click the bell icon after you subscribe. It's completely free to do so. New videos come out here every day at 10 a.m., 3 p.m., and 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'll keep you up to date here with everything going on here in our country on a daily basis. You can click here to watch my newest video next. And here is that video on Social Security $2,400 raise and some other news as well. So click on one of those videos next. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.